Next, we will go over the Products tab. The first feature in the Products menu is physical products. So not only does SystemeIO allows you to sell digital products, but also tangible products. And to do so, you would just have to come here to this tab and create your product. So let's do that. The first step is to click on Create. This will open a form that you would have to fill out, and this is going to be all the information about your product. So starting out with the name of your product, here you would write the name of the product. For example, let's say I'm selling t-shirts. So I would just write t-shirt here, then add your product description. Then you would just type your SKU, which stands for stock keeping unit. But in this case, that is created automatically just by clicking on the field. Here you would add the tax rate percentage that you want to apply for the sales that you make on this physical product. And that depends on the country that you're located in and the commercial laws for your country. Let's just write 20% here. Then choose a currency. This currency here must match the same currency that you choose when creating a funnel for your physical product. Then add your price, for example, 10 euros. Next, for your media, you can add images for your product. These images will be displayed on the order form where your clients will buy your product. And to upload your images, you would just click here and add an image from your device. Select your image or images if you want more than one. And then right below, you'll see the little checkbox here. When enabled, you'll see the options menu. Here, you will be able to add all the variations and attributes for your product, such as size and color. For this example, since we are selling a t-shirt, let's make size our first option here. And we will add the sizes that we have available. So let's say small, medium, and large. Next, let's add another variation option. For example, color. You can add as many options as you'd like. It really depends on your product. Let's say we are offering this t-shirt in black, red, and white. Now for each option, I can add an image, and you can add an individual price for each variation. For example, let's say small sizes cost 8 euros, all medium sizes cost 10 euros, and all large size cost 11 euros. You don't really need to add individual prices if your price is the same for all of your variants, because remember, we already established the price in the beginning, and that's the price that will appear for each variant if you leave this blank. Finally, you can add individual images for your variants. So you just click here and choose the image of a white t-shirt, and this is the image that will be displayed when the customer chooses this option in the order form. Now let's do the same thing for the black one. Of course, you would need to add the images for all the other options so that you can make sure the images will appear for each option the customer chooses on the order form. And when you complete filling out all of the information, just click on Save and your physical product will be created. Now, for you to sell your physical product, you must create a funnel for it. So just go to your funnel and then look for your order form step. Here, in Setup Digital Product, you're going to click on Physical Product. Then you will choose the physical product you want to sell. So you would just look for it here in the Resource drop-down menu. And then we have to go into the editor for this page in order to add a very important element to the page, which is the product element. Just go into the editor and look for the element here on the left. It will be in the Payment category, and it's called Physical Product. Then just drag it and drop it here. And by doing this, your product images, variations, and prices will appear on your page. Now let's visit the page to see how it would look for one of our customers. So this is how it looks. As you can see, we have our images here. You can scroll through them, or they could select the option that they're interested in, and the image for that option would show up. Of course, the price will also change when I change the size. And here the customer can also choose the quantity, so they can buy more than one and then just validate the payment from here. After you make a sale for your physical product, those orders will show up here in the Products tab Orders. You will see a list of your sales here, and you'll be able to access the date of the purchase, all the information related to the specific order, your customer's email address, and all the necessary information for you to successfully ship your product. Keep in mind, we don't offer any tracking and delivery tools. Our tools help you all the way until you collect the payment for your product, but all the tracking and delivery of the product is your responsibility. You can use external platforms that help you with this, and to make this easy, we recommend platforms like Zapier that can help you integrate and connect the apps that you use for tracking and delivery. Or you can do it manually. You can just create your shipping labels with the information you collected in your orders page and schedule a shipping company to pick up your product and send them to your customers.